Let me ask you something real quick. When you hear stock market, do you picture crazy charts and red lines crashing? People yelling buy low, sell high. Most people think stocks are basically gambling. But what if I told you when you buy a stock, you're not gambling? You're buying a tiny piece of a real business. That changes everything, right? My name is Tito. If you're confused about stocks, subscribe and like. People lose money in stocks because they don't understand what they're buying. Part 1: The biggest lie about stocks. People learn about stocks backwards. They start with charts, timing, quick profits. This stock will moon. They treat stocks like a game. Tito sees a green line go up. He buys. The line drops. He panics. He sells. See? Stocks are a scam. He wasn't investing. He was guessing. Stocks are not about predicting lines. They're about owning businesses. Part 2: What you're actually buying. Imagine a stickman starts a lemonade stand. He needs $100 to grow. Give me $10 and I'll give you 10% of my business. You give him $10. Now you own 10%. If he sells more lemonade, you benefit. If profits double, your ownership becomes more valuable. That's it. That's a stock. When you buy shares of companies like Apple or Nike, you're buying ownership in real businesses. You're not betting on tomorrow. You're betting on long-term growth. Part 3: How real investing works. Prices move up and down every day. Short-term prices are emotional. Long-term value follows business growth. The S&P 500 averages around 8–10% over long periods. If you invest $300 a month at 8% for 30 years, that's roughly $450,000. You didn't trade. You didn't guess. You own growing businesses. That's the difference. Part 4: The mistake that destroys people. Biggest mistake. Emotion. Tito hears a hot tip and puts all his money into one stock. Bad news hits. The price drops 20%. He panics. He sells. That's not investing. That's fear. The market rewards patience. It punishes panic. Behavior matters more than intelligence. Part 5: The boring strategy that wins. What works? Simple. Boring. Consistent investing. Instead of chasing one company, own many. Own an index fund, a basket of top companies. Invest every month. Mark it up. Invest. Mark it down. Invest. Over time, growth compounds. Money makes money. Then that money makes more money. Like a snowball that starts tiny and becomes unstoppable. Part 6: The truth nobody tells you. Here's the truth. You don't build wealth by working harder forever. You build wealth by owning things that grow. Stocks aren't magic. They're ownership. Once you understand that, they stop being scary. They become tools. If a stickman can understand ownership, so can you. This clicked comment ownership below. I'll see you in the next one.